Good morning, my wonderful people. How are you doing today? I hope you guys are well and good. Today, I'm going to be unboxing my DM online order. As you guys know, during Christmas period, most of the basic things that you need at home always go out of stock. So for me, I always place my order for the things that I'll be needing in December and also in January. So I always shop at DM for my uh, basic needs like shampoo, cream for my baby food, diapers, so on and so forth. And also my cleaning detergent at home. I get it as DM. So today I have ordered because I want to fill in for 2 months supply. So I'll be opening the small one first. Let's see what's in there. Just put it by the side. So here I got sponge for I and my son. Actually, I normally change our sponge every 3 months. And this is the disinfectant wipe that I use to materials for wiping down the kitchen cabinet. And I found this one from the end very good, very nice. I got one from Lidl and I don't like the way it cleans, but this from DM, I love it. It does it well. And here, of course, I don't forget my liner. And here, of course, toothpaste. Guys, it is so difficult to find a toothpaste that both you and your kids can use. Before now, I've been getting toothpaste separately for myself and for my son. But then I found that this actually is good for children from 7 years and also for adults. So I would want to try this one and see how it looks. And of course, we've got to shave. And this one, I have some left, but I had to get this, like I stated, after Christmas. Basics always not available at the supermarket. So I got this. Basically, this is toilet paper. And I always go for the wet toilet paper because, you know, kids, when you let them use the dry ones, they don't wipe their buttocks properly. But with these wet ones, it really helps them to clean up, you know, those areas properly. Yeah. And I also have one unopened. I had to get one again. Yeah, in case you can never tell. You have to stock up your home because everybody's going crazy with Christmas. Some people will even buy what they don't need. And at the end of the day, the supermarket is empty. Got to do what I got to do. And here is my foil paper. I have one yet finished, but soon will be finished. So I need this. And of course, I got here my detergent for washing the toilet, and of course my pad. I have here, what is this? This is for feeding my baby. It's actually made from plastic. Before now, I use the towel that you wash and dry, but I found out that the towel, it takes a long time to dry. And you know, it's winter and things doesn't dry so quickly as they used to in summer. So I get this. This is made out of plastic. I'm hoping that we could use, and then I'll wipe it down and it should be ready for the next feeding. I got my disinfectant wipe for baby toys. Yeah, but not for babies schnuller. You don't use this to wipe baby pacifier. So, and I got this shampoo for washing baby bottles. It's always helpful. And of course, I got bleach. My baby is yet to start eating this, but I'm hoping to start by January or end of January, and I don't know if it will be available in the supermarket, so I decided to get it now to have it at home, so I won't have problem switching, because I don't know how my baby is going to tolerate this. But I bought two different flavor, and I'll see what she likes. And of course, your toothpaste, your toothbrush, which you should change every 3 months. Are you aware of that? I'm not a doctor, just a tip. And of course, this I always use for my sofa. I use it for my sofa. I use it for my rug to make that bad smell go away. Yeah, you know, sometimes when you have kids around, you can have food or food particles falling everywhere and all that, or maybe some liquids on the rug. So this doesn't get the stain out, but it gets the smell out. Okay, so don't quote me wrong. And I also have disinfectant spray, very good. I use this for all the handles and in my home, window handles, door handles, anywhere that the kids touches, refrigerator handles, all the handles that you can think about. I use this spray on it. And of course, I got my perfume. And this, guys, this cream. It's good for children and for adults. You should try it. It is actually for sensitive and dry skin. Yeah, good. Yeah. This is honey. One of the things that you should have during winter for cough, and you know, I don't even eat industrialized sugar. So this is always what I add to my pap, akamo, what you said, as we call it in Nigeria. I also add it to my tea, and yeah, but I don't give this to my son. These are my dustbin nylon paper. And of course, this is for this is washing detergents for clothes disinfectants. You use them when you run the washing machine. I normally use it for my baby clothes when I wash them. And of course, toilet paper. You can never tell. People are going crazy. Some can even buy up to 10 dozens of toilet paper. I don't know what they do with it at home. But I have this one, and this can last us for 2 to 3 months. So for my baby, the weather is getting colder. So I saw this in DM, and yeah, baby hand glove. Yeah. Oh, and here I have this baby wipe. I decided to go for the big one because, guys, I don't know, it's always wiping and wiping and wiping when baby when there is a mess. So I got a big one. I hope it lasts me for 6 months. I hope. I hope. And here I have my baby diapers. I always go for the brand. I always go for DM brand Baby Love. It's affordable, and I'm hoping that these diapers would last us until February. January ending. Yeah, January ending, I believe, because I still have some like this. I still have one of this pack that I'm yet to open at home. Then plus these two equals to 3 packs. So I think this should be enough. Yeah. That's all, guys. I hope you stay blessed, stay safe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye. Oh, this carton, I don't normally throw them away because when you look at it, they are so strong. And for me, and because I have a very small family, this is my pantry at the moment. Yeah. I just put them by the side or anywhere I have some space, and then I'm going to put the things that I need, or some things that I won't be needing, that I don't need on daily basis. Yeah. So Bye guys, until I see you in my next video. Ciao, love you, and of course compliment of the season. Mwah.